Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Akshata Suresh Kapsa and I am pursuing my engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am here with the subject satellite communication. So let us go with the contents, what we are going to learn in this video. First, introduction, working, orbit, frequency allocations for a satellite system, satellite launch vehicles, advantages of the satellite communication, disadvantages of the satellite communication, and applications and conclusion. So let us go with the introduction. The word satellites originated from the Latin word satellite, meaning an attendant, one who is constantly having around and attending to a master. A satellite is simply anybody that moves around another, usually much larger, one in the mathematical predictable path called an orbit. So here you can see the diagram of satellite where you can see and those are termed. First one you can see that command antenna. Second one where you can see that square small square communication antenna, and these two are solar cells which are having side. Those two are solar cells, and it consists of a batteries and radio reactive and a transformation and rocket funnel, main rocket motor, rocket transparent, and one camera. So let us see how the satellite is going to be working. The basic element of a satellite communication system are shown in next slide where you can go through it. The process begins at the Earth station, an installation designed to transmit and receive signals from the satellite in a orbit around the Earth. Earth stations send information in the form of high powered, high frequency, and signals to a satellite which receives and retransmit the signals back to the Earth where they are received by other Earth stations in the conversion area of the satellite. The area which receives a signal of the useful strength from the satellite is known as the satellite's footprint. The transmission system from the Earth station to the satellite is called the uplink, and the system from the satellite to the Earth station is called the downlink. And here you can see the image of uplink and the downlink, where the information given to the satellite is uplink, and information from the satellite to the Earth is known as downlink for a simple words we can say. Now let us see orbit. This orbit has Geo, Leo, Meo, Heo, four types where you can see the image. First, first one is for Geo, where it is 36,000 kilometer from the Earth, and Meo is 6,000 to 20,000 kilometer from the Earth. Leo is 500 to 1500 kilometer, and Heo is this is nothing but highly elliptical orbit. Here you can see the image of the those Heo, Leo, and Geo, Meo, those and with the distance from the Earth. Now let us see medium Earth orbit, that is nothing but a Meo. We will see the briefly what is Meo. Meo satellite have a larger converged area than Leo satellites. A Meo satellite's larger duration of the visibility and wider footprints means fewer satellites are needed in a Meo network than the Leo network. A Meo is satellite have a larger converged area than the Leo satellite. A MEO satellite's longer duration of a visibility and a wider footprints means fewer satellites are needed MEO network than the LEO network. And MEO satellite distance gives a longer time delay and a weaker signal than the LEO satellite. Though not as bad as GEO satellite, at least these satellites distance gives a longer time delay and a weaker signal than the LEO satellite, though not as bad as a GEO satellite. Now let us see Leo, lower Earth orbit. Leo satellites are much closer to the Earth than the GEO satellite, ranging from the 500 to 1500 km above the Earth's surface. Leo satellites don't stay in the fixed position relative to the surface and are only visible for the 15 to 20 minutes each phase. A network of a LEO satellite is necessary for LEO satellite to be useful to hand over necessary from one satellite to the another need for rotating. Here you can see the working of the satellites in this diagram. It is given briefly how the satellite is going to be worked. So let us go with the next topic, that is frequency allocations. Frequency bands for a satellite service are shared with the terrestrial services. Satellite signal strength is concentrated to avoid interference by its two others. Thus, a large antenna and a sensitive server are needed at the Earth stations. Now, satellite launch vehicles. In spaceflight, a launch vehicle or a carrier rocket is a rocket used to carry a player from Earth's surface into a outer space. A launch system includes the launch vehicle, the launch pad, and other infrastructures. And one of the example of for the satellite launch vehicle is PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Now, advantages of the satellite communication. The coverage area of a satellite greatly exceeds that of a terrestrial system. Transmission cost of a satellite is independent of the distance from the center of the converging area. Satellite to a satellite communication is very higher bandwidths are available for use. Now, disadvantages. Launching satellite into orbits is costly. Satellite bandwidth is gradually becoming used up. There is larger propagation delay in satellite communication than in a terrestrial communication. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So please do like and share this video. Thank you.